Today, we'll dive into the components of instructional planning of teacher. We'll explore how effective planning involves understanding student needs, setting clear objective, designing engaging activities, and assessing progress to ensure a successful learning experience.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, what are the components of instructional planning and what do you think are the most important component of instructional planning and why?
Okay, instructional planning, the components are, of course, the subject matter, your topic, objectives, the procedure, the assessment, evaluation, and also the instructional activities. Okay, I think the most important instructional components are those evaluation, because evaluation, assessment, dito man ko nimo makita kung na-meet nila ang imuhang objectives. Kaya dapat kung mo magkuan ka, magtudlo ka, kuan ka ng kinahanglan ang imong objectives, mo jive sa imong procedure, sa imong lesson, mo jive sa imong instructional activities. Kay kung wala siya ming kuan, ming jive, di kasabot ang mga bata. So si Mang dayon, and evaluation manggod dito nimo ma-measure kung nakasabot ang mga bata, nakuha nila ang imong gusto nga kuan, nga kuha nila ang lesson ug ang imong gusto nga ilahang ma-meet. Anak siya.
Ay, ma'am, salamat. Thank you.
So, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
So, my question is, what are the components of instructional planning and what do they think are the most important component of instructional planning and why?
I guess instructional planning involves learning or includes learning objectives, resources, teaching strategies, time management, classroom management, evaluation or assessment, and then reflection. Yeah. So I think that those are the components of instructional planning. And for me, the most important part is the learning objective. One is learning objective because it is important for you to have a clear direction or goal on that specific day, on that specific topic. And then next is the teaching strategies that you're going to apply in order for you to achieve your objectives. And next is the reflection, because or before reflection is the evaluation, because in that part you can tell if you really achieved your goal on that day, if you really achieved your objectives, and then you can reflect at the end of the day if sakto ba or fit ba ang ang teaching strategies nga imong gi-apply sa ana nga day. And then as time goes by, eventually you can improve your different teaching strategies in order for you to cater all the differences of your learners. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
The most important component in instructional planning is to give a clear learning objectives. These objectives define what students are expected to learn and achieve by the end of the lesson or unit. They guide the selection of content, instructional strategies, assessment methods, and materials, ensuring that all aspects of the lesson are aligned and focused on helping students achieve the desired outcomes. Without clear learning objectives, it becomes difficult to measure progress, assess understanding, or ensure that instruction is purposeful and effective.
In summary, mastering these components will ultimately enhance your teaching effectiveness and help create a more productive classroom environment. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of instructional planning. Thank you.